multiplication abacus method part 3. So in part 1 we have got the position as P1. In part 2 we have got the position as P3. In here what will get position we don't know. Let us find out. And again I am telling that in decimal multiplication for each sum there will be a different position. Okay, let us find the position of 0.0080 into 0.00702. Here I have one important thing again I am telling. That here see this is 2 zeros are front of 8. So they are not counted. But the one zero is after 8. So it is counted. So instead ignoring this we will get this as 80. Remember that. Okay. So the first position. What is the first number of in this number? What's the first number? See here 0 we won't count. 0 we won't count. 0 we won't count. The first position is 8. Now here what's the first position? 0 we won't count. Till here 0 we won't count. So 7 is the first position. Okay. So what is the position of 8? The position of 8. See here this is P0. This is P1. This is P2. Okay. So I mean minus 2. Okay. 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. The position is minus 2. What's the position for here? The position is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Here also the position is minus 2 plus. So what we will do here? We will add both. Okay. Instead of plus, here we will have minus, means we will get a different answer. As here is multiplication is repeated addition, we will add both. Okay. Now let us add. The answer is minus 4. Okay. So we would not include this. Okay, we would not include the decimal point and we will multiply now. Okay. So again I am telling here it is 80. Okay. 80 into 702. What is the answer? 56160. See? Answer. Now, so this is the answer now. So what is the answer? Again I am writing in a big form. 56160. Okay. So minus 4. How we will do this? I am telling that 56160. We will place the starting number which is 5. Okay. We will place the starting number which is 5 on minus 4 position and continue with minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So like that we will continue. So first we will take the decimal point 0. Okay. 0, minus 1 position. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. Okay. So 5 is in the position of minus 4. And minus 6, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. So the answer of 0.0080 into 0.00702 is 0.00040566160. So that is the end of decimal multiplication. Okay. So we'll meet you in the next session. Thanks.